not my KPI, therefore, not my problem. So, pagka ang naririnig mo to sa mga tao at nagkakanya-kanya, they feel like it's better if they're on their own. Mahirap magkaroon ng teamwork pag ganito ang mindset ng mga tao. And madalas, the reason why the mindset is like this is because the leaders are failing in building teamwork and building the necessary culture for collaboration, coordination, and cooperation. Okay? Still with me? Let's continue. Sabi ni Lencioni, ito yung dahilan kung bakit dysfunctional ang mga team. No? Unang-una, sabi niya, absence of trust. When team members don't open up, kasi wala akong tiwala sa mga kasama ko sa trabaho, ngayon, hindi ako comfortable with telling the truth. If I agree, I don't agree, kaya, hindi kaya, kailangan ng tulong, hindi kailangan ng tulong, I won't say it. Bakit? Baka may masabi silang hindi maganda tungkol sa akin.